welcome back to Baby Monster. And today, we're going to learn about the beach. Wow, you're a cool dude. Are you a lifeguard? What is this big thing of water behind us?
This is the whole beach.
A beach? And what is that water?
Everybody.
Is it called the ocean?
No.
Well, okay. Let's go check it out. Hi, welcome back to Baby Monster. Today, we're exploring the beach. What is that?
Seal.
A seashell?
Yeah. Watch.
Whoa,
And you can straw it too.
that's
So
really
look at the sand.
cool.
Look at the sand.
Oh man, sand too?
It's wet.
We're having a shell of a good time. Seashell? What is in there? What color is this?
It's purple. One.
Whoa, whoa!
Look at that train.
Train? What, in Tornations? Hey, look, there's a surfer. Cowabunga, man. Whoa, what is this? A sea monster! Run! It's moving! It's moving! Oh, run!
It's not
Oh, sea snake! Run! Run for it! Let's get out of here!
Yeah,
Scary. Let's go look for a mermaid.
there's no mermaid.
Hi! Welcome back to Baby Monster. Today on Baby Monster, we're gonna explore the beach! Yeah!
We do this every time.
Wait, what do you have there?
A shell?
Wow, that's pretty.
Oh, there's a crab in there.
Oh, there's a crab in there. Oh, look, it's a tent. It's a red tent. Just like me, red. Okay, come on, let's go look at the water.
Yeah, let's go
Come
look
on,
at Yeah,
let's go.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome back to Baby Monster. We're still exploring the beach today. What is this, River?
Seaweed.
Seaweed?
Yeah. It's crab.
Is seaweed illegal or is it legal?
It's where
And that comes from the ocean?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That is so cool.
It goes under the water.
And what color is it?
Green.
It's what?
Green.
It's green! Yay! Thank you for coming back to Beach Day with Baby Monster.
I'm still talking to Big Monster.
Oh, let's look at more things in here. Look at all of this sea stuff. It came from the ocean. Oh, that looks slimy.